Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at a subscription box from TacPack. Tactical Pack, Pack Attack, Tack of Pack, TacPack, Tactical Pack, Attack Pack. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And yeah, TacPack, let's do it. Alright guys, so we are back with TacPack, and as always, if you are interested in the subscription service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video where you can go check them out. They have 3 types of boxes you can choose from. They have a light version if you need to, be light. They got a light version for you. And then they got the standard and the plus. The light box runs $30 a month, the standard is $50, and the plus is $130. I think this is the plus. We'll find out. So yeah, hope everybody had a good weekend. I don't think I'm gonna get this video up Sunday. It may go up Monday. So either way, hope you had a good time. Man, the card is buried all the way at the bottom. God dog, and I'm having to look at everything to get the card out. Man, come on now. Well, we got a Sylvan Arms folding stock adapter. So I already saw that. Alright, so TacPack Plus. We get the Plus box. Yes, so this is $130. It's here, the sizzling September TacPack. A game-changing amount of USA-made AR gear is inside, so dig in and enjoy. Alright, so they got a theme here for us. Alright, and maybe that will focus. And if you want to read all that nonsense. Are there any prices? I don't see no prices. That's okay. We'll do some Googling. All right. So like I said, we got something from Sylvan Arms, a folding stock adapter, which is it's going to be for your AR. Let's see. It's designed to reduce the overall length of your rifle that allows for easier stowing and traveling. The folder is designed to fit most mil-spec AR 5.56, 224, 308 builds. All right. It's made in USA, 7075 build aluminum. Yeah, so there you go. I don't know, there's not a whole lot I can really say about this without, breaking it apart and putting it on one of my pew-pews and showing you. I'm not going to do that because YouTube don't like that kind of stuff. So, yeah, boo. All right, what we got here? We got something from Nomad. What do we have here? Nomad Defense. This looks like something you put on your rail. Let's see, Nomad, what we got here? I don't want to open every single little thing. This is going to be our M-Lock Micro SAFG, okay, and rail cover combo. So this is going to be a little foregrip. Just kind of put it right there on your thumb. Just a little guy. You can see right there in the pack. Just a little guy right there, a little foregrip from a company called Nomad Defense Co. So there you go. And then they give you a little rail cover too on there. So yeah. And then they give you, looks like the Allen key and the little screws that are going to be appropriate for this little foregrip. Okay, so got a foregrip. All right, let's see, what is this? Oh man, got something from MyMedic. I love it. I love the MyMedic stuff. And this is a MyMedic Burn Med Pack. This is a injury base first aid kit, pain relief, cold pack, and burn relief. Oh man, it comes with a lot of stuff. So, and this is a big pack. I mean, like if you look at it, this is not, this is not very small. So this is going to have a lot of stuff in it. We got some minor burn med pack includes 1" by 3" super skin bandage, a 2" by 4" super skin bandage, 3 burn gels, one APAP's pain relief. Let's see, 1 antiseptic towelette, 1 super hand wipe, 1 cloth tab, 1 pair of gloves, 1 gauze roll, a 2" gauze roll, a 3x4 non-adherent bandage, pad rather, a 4x4 burn dressing, a 4x5 cold pack, a 1" wrap, and then the burn instructions. So yeah, a lot of good stuff. This is an awesome supplemental pack because it is more focused on just one particular event that would require medical intervention, right? So that's awesome. So we like that. Okay, now we got something from TAC, T-A-C. This is Team Accessory Core. Exceptional gear for the American shooter. And, okay, this is just a grip. Let's see, and this is a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna take it out real quick. And we're gonna see how this feels. Okay. All right. Okay. It's not. I mean, I don't know. I'm generally, I don't know. I'm a stock OEM kind of guy. Like most of the rifles that I have, I don't change. You know, I don't get it and change every little thing, like every little minute piece. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I'm a plain boring guy. I don't know. There's some stuff I change, and well, to be fair, most of my bolt action guns are built. Like the bolt action guns I have are built from the ground up. So yeah, I think I just kind of negated everything I just said. But most of my gas guns are kind of unremarkable. How about that? My gas guns are unremarkable. They're just whatever I get. I may change a couple little things accessory wise, but as far as getting into the nitty gritty internals, what will I say I've done? Maybe like maybe like an exotic bolt carrier group, maybe like a nickel boron, bolt carrier group, and maybe upgrading. I don't know. I guess I do a lot. Man, I'm making myself look really bad right now because I would upgrade like the gas block, the gas tube. Never mind. I'm an accessory guy. I like to customize. Yeah. Forget everything I just said. I say that too much in these videos. Okay, so we got an Amend 2, Mod 2, Defend Your Rights, 30 round AR-15, M4, M16. Let's see, blah, 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 blah. Heavy duty, industry leading spring, rugged and reliable polymer design. Okay, so we just got a mag. Okay. So from Amend 2, all right, cool. Got a ton of these. Not this, but got a ton of magazines. Oh, man, I see a sticker. Oh, check this out. We got some souped up 2A America Ninja Turtle. Yeah. This is a good replacement. I shipped off Homer. I shipped off Homer to Pew Prep Trek. So Homer got a new home. So I did send Pew Prep Trek the Homer. So yeah. All right, man. I like that. That's cool. I like the Ninja Turtles, but I don't like have all of them memorized, so I don't know which one this is. I can't remember which one is the one that used the size to fight with. God, dog. I'm going to say this every video too, man. I need some of that Joe Rogan alpha brain because my brain don't work half the time. It's hard for me to remember stuff. Don't know why. It just is. Okay, we got Falco Tactical. What is this? Oh, is this a cleaning pad? Oh, man, this is going to be a cleaning pad. That's awesome. And it's going to have the exploded breakdown of your fire. Oh, man, I like that. Check that out. All right. So we got a AR-15 complete breakdown of all the parts, and they're numbered and everything. All right. I'm going to try to... Whew, man, this is going to be hard to get that all in the frame. Let's see. Let me put this over here. All right. Oh, all right. Here we go. I'm going to go edge to edge. And hopefully it'll focus if you guys want to check that out. That's about as far as I can go. Get my head out the way. I'll leave it up. Hopefully it'll focus and you guys can see it. It's just a really cool, really cool cleaning mat. They generally have all kinds of flim-flam about how it's chemical resistant or, it doesn't absorb any oil or anything. So I'm pretty sure it's that same kind of deal. But this is cool. It gives you the bolt carrier group takedown, step 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives you the regular disassembly of your upper, step 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's cool. I like that. So this is really good if you're new to this particular platform. It gives you every little detail. I like that. Really, really cool. That's awesome. Because I'm the first person to say that I do not know everything about anything. And I do know one thing, I'm probably not going to get this back into that tube. I can probably say that with a high degree of confidence. I will have to take it back and roll it back out and tighten it up to get it back in that tube. All right, so what we got here? Oh, no, I didn't bring my glasses. Okay, so in this, obviously, yeah, this was a lot of stuff for AR. We got the stock adapter, we got the foregrip, we got a magazine, we got a grip, and we got the little pad. The only thing that was kind of the outlier was going to be the med kit from My Medic, and that's always a welcome addition for me because you guys know I love My Medic. So yeah, always love that. And we don't have any prices. Okay, so that's it. This was TacPack. Man, TacPack. I'm going to add the Ninja Turtle. We'll add it up here to our pile of stickers. And you guys tell me in the comment section down below, do you think this box was worth $129.95? Well, the problem is, I have enough. Well, I'm not going to say enough. I have a lot of this kind of stuff already. So I like this, and I don't have a mat for an AR. I have a mat for some of my handguns, so I do have that. So yeah. Okay, so what do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this was a box worth the money that was paid? Do you think the value was there? Would you have been happy if you had got this box? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you for hanging out with me on this video. And now, that's it. Now it's the after hour show. That's right. All right, so here's what's happening, guys. This is what's going on in my life. This weekend, hopefully if this video goes up Monday, Saturday, went to a car show. I did a short video. If you haven't seen that short video, you can go watch that. And I talk about going to the car show. And instead of taking our modified RX-8, I took our modified S10. And the S10 is an awesome truck. And I am going to do a video on it. Hopefully you guys will want to watch that video. I know, deviating from content, people kind of don't like it. But the problem is this channel is called Brad's Journey. It's not called Brad's Unboxing Channel. So I'm going to start giving you guys a little bit of different stuff, that I like to do. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. I really do. I really hope you enjoy it. And I really hope you watch. So with that being said, if you saw my TikTok and you saw the video that I put, or not TikTok, what am I saying? The short on YouTube. I don't have a TikTok, so don't look for me on TikTok because I don't have no TikToks. But the short that I did on YouTube, I kind of showed the S10 because we trailer that. It is a trailer queen. It's not something that gets driven. So I took the trailer and the S10. We went to the car show. My brother brought some of his Jeeps because he has a lot of Jeeps. He loves Jeeps. And he ended up winning 2 awards in the different Jeep categories because he has different years of Jeeps. So he did win 2. And this was the show, okay? It's the 2nd annual Veterans Helping Veterans Auto and Truck Show 2023 Jeep Bash on the Bay. And there was a ton of Jeeps, but there was also, cars and trucks. But had a lot of Jeeps show up because a lot of the Jeep clubs were involved. So, naturally a lot of Jeeps came out. And I'm going to do a video of that car show. And I really hope you watch that video because of where it was. It was at the Battleship Memorial Park. And I did film, very briefly, I filmed some of the stuff at the Battleship Park. And I talked about it because I'm going to do a video of the Battleship Memorial Park. But it's put on by the P.L. Wilson Detachment 447 Marine Corps League. And so it's a very, very awesome event. We had a blast, and there was tons of veterans there, and we had a really good time. And as you can tell, down here at the bottom, we took home, and for the S10, we took the Best in Show, the overall Best in Show. So really, really proud of that, and really happy, that we won. Of course, that's not the point of it. The point is just to go there and support the cause, which is kind of the mentality we have for every car show. You just go to support whatever cause the car show is there to benefit. But winning, it's nice. It's nice to get the little plaque and the recognition and everything. So definitely happy about that. And let's see what else. Oh, big thing. This is going to be the last upload from where I am, because I know you guys don't know this, but these videos I have kind of taken over the formal dining room in my house. That's where I am right now, and I'm moving all of this into my office. So I'm going to be doing all my videos in my office, and it's been a nightmare because I'm having to move all kinds of stuff around, and I am exhausted. But yeah, so the next time you see me, the next video upload, it's probably going to look the same except for this over here. Like, this is going to be the same. This won't be in the shot anymore, but this will be. And yeah, so I'm just changing everything up, trying to give my wife and my family our formal dining room back. So there's that. And for those of you who know about my wife and what she's going through, she is doing well. She is through her first week of 5 of treatment, and she's done a full week of chemo, and she's done 3 days of radiation, because we didn't start radiation until Wednesday. So she'll be getting that 5 days a week, as well as the chemo 5 days a week. You got the little pump, so we pick the pump up on Monday and drop it off on Friday. So she got a break this weekend from that. So that was good. And yeah, she's doing really good. I'm hoping that we continue that trajectory of her, doing good, which, she's tough. She's very, very tough. So I think she's gonna be okay. So this, Monday we start our 2nd week of treatment. So yeah. So I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all I got. I hope all of you are doing well, and I will see you guys next time. And yeah, the video will be filmed in my office. So yeah, be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys next time. Or no, actually it won't be. I lied, because I'm going to try to edit all the car show footage and put that video out. So I hope you watch that video. But the next unboxing will definitely be from my office. And yeah. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Hope you're doing well, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.